sorry, I ain't worried about it. I first just did it when I got it that time. I got no chance. My bike is fast. I'm making a higher drive with garage bike.
Alright, let's see what Matt does.
He needs to get up there. There you go. Come on, Matt.
Alright, next bit of bikes. We are running 2 trips to the Hour Power motorcycle. If we get them out, I think the last trip, Clinton Trevino over and Joe Ryan. He's all about it tonight, 713. That's not quite fast enough, but he's down there close to the Hour Power. So it's our first trip to the bike to the Hour Power. Not bad deal, $20. If you're back. Back is over to Lewis Lane. AJ Daniel. Joe Ryan. That is 749. Now we are running an hour time of 405. Alright, Clarence Underwood. Clarence, like I said, Clarence bike makes a lot of power. It looks like it's kind of a hard bike to ride. Kyle Williamson over in the left lane. Watch old Kyle hit that Hour Power hard.
Yep. Oh yeah. It's recording now. $706.
AJ McDaniel gets there first for 737 at 102 miles an hour. Edward Dumont.
Huh?